Здравейте, приятели! Hello, friends! Welcome to Bulgarian for Beginners A1. Today we're gonna learn a simple dialogue in Bulgarian. Na bulgarski, in Bulgarian. We're gonna learn how to say hello, how are you? I am fine or I'm well, thank you. There are two ways to say hello in Bulgarian. One is formal. We use this with adults. We use this with people who we do not know or we meet for the first time. We also use this in professional situations or when we meet multiple people. And this is здравейте. That's why at the beginning I said здравейте, приятели. I'm assuming multiple people will watch this video. That's why I said здравейте. Здравейте, как сте? Hello, how are you? The second way to say hi is the informal. And this is здравей. We use здравей with friends, family, neighbors, people our own age. Simply здравей, which also means hi. Здравей, как си? Hi, how are you? Здравей. The Bulgarian word kak means how in English. It is one of the most useful words to learn when starting to speak Bulgarian. In here on this slide, we can see how the word kak is used in the question, how are you? Informal. Hi, how are you? Здравей, как си? Здравей, как си? In the formal way, good day, how are you? Добър ден, как сте? Добър ден, как сте? In the second example, we can also use the formal greetings здравейте, как сте? Здравейте, как сте? Добър ден, как сте? For those of you who have forgotten what the word ste means, you can refer to the conjugation of the verb to be, and I will put a link to this video in the description below. How to answer how are you in Bulgarian? We're going to learn 3 ways you can answer. The first one is много добре съм. I'm very well. Много добре съм. You can also say аз съм много добре. I am very well. Аз съм много добре. The second one is добре съм. I'm well. I'm good. Добре съм or аз съм добре. I am well. Аз съм добре. I am well. I'm good. And the third one, which you're very likely going to hear in Bulgaria, is the answer горе-долу, which literally means so-so. So горе-долу actually means upwards, downwards. However, in the answer горе-долу, it means I'm doing so-so. Здравей, как си? Горе-долу. Здравей, как си? Добре съм. Здравей, как си? Много добре съм. And the final dialogue will sound something like this. Здрасти or здравей. Как си? Аз съм много добре, а ти? И аз съм добре. Благодаря. One more time. Здравей. Как си? Аз съм много добре. А ти? Добре съм. Благодаря. In the formal way, which we use in a professional setting, здравейте, как сте? Or добър ден, как сте? Горе-долу, благодаря. А вие? Аз съм добре, благодаря.